Hello YouTuber and Viewmaster friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the Viewmaster 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. This is the 3D Viewmaster Adventure Jungle Book, presents by Walt Disney. Viewmaster Reel 1. Picture 1. The boy Mowgli, raised by wolves, was being taken to civilization. Picture 2. By Bagheera the panther. As they slept, Kaa the python Picture 3. Tried to eat Mowgli, but Bagheera drove him away. Picture 4. Next morning, Colonel Hathie's dawn patrol marched by. Picture 5. Mowgli joined the elephants, to the disgust of Hathie. Picture 6. Pop, said baby elephant. You forgot to say halt. Picture 7. Mowgli met Baloo the bear, who taught him how to fight. Viewmaster Reel 2. Picture 8. Food is everywhere in the jungle, sang Baloo. Picture 9. As they floated in the river, monkeys seized Mowgli. Picture 10. They took him to their king, who reigned in a temple ruin. Picture 11. As Baloo chased the king, a temple column collapsed. Picture 12. The three friends fled as the temple began to fall. Picture 13. Baloo fought the tiger who had attacked Mowgli. Picture 14. Then Mowgli saw his first girl and knew he was human. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.